Uh, Joseph and I are doing an online course together. Uh, it opens next Monday, the 27th, but I think you don't have to get it precisely then, you know. And uh, we are each doing an hour and 15 minutes or something like that a day, either uh, guidance and a talk, or extensive questions and answers and a sitting. I mean, there's the various combinations, and there are other sittings that are being led by someone else. And I think it's going to be a wonderful offering. That it's so rare that we do something together. We happen to be next door, though we haven't seen each other face to face in over a month um, or more. Uh, but it's a chance to, I think, tune into some fairly timeless wisdom and methodologies to meet the moment. You know, so it's both in context of where we are and what people are often going through now, but it's really reaching into those timeless teachings. And then there's a sliding scale, and there's scholarships available, and the paragraph says no one will be turned away for lack of funds. So that's a wonderful thought too. And I think once you register, you can stream it for another month or something like that. So
And this is to benefit.
yes, it's all a benefit for the Insight Meditation Society. And um, if you go to their website, which is dharma.org, or just go to Insight Meditation Society, I'm sure you will see an announcement about it.
Okay, good. Thank you.